So when I got this toolbox unloaded on the pod, I noticed one of these casters, actually two of these casters, were falling apart, so I took this one off. And this is what I found. The thing was just disintegrating, coming off in chunks. I was wondering what that stuff was in the pod. So I ordered some stuff from Amazon, and the bushing that came out of that one actually fits perfectly in that. This is the widest wheel I could find. So what I'm going to have to do is go to a hardware store and find a couple washers, or maybe a washer to take up the space there. Shouldn't be that difficult, I wouldn't think. But we got some new casters for it, 6x2. Hopefully it's just a little bit taller than the old one, but should be much better. And you can grease the bearings. So I'll be taking that to the hardware store tomorrow. See if I can find a couple washers for the space between that. And it should be good to go, huh? So I got a couple different ideas here for this caster. I got to put 4 washers on each side to take out the slack on this bushing here, because these wheels are thinner. Or I got one actual collar that I could put on one side. That would work as well. I think I'm going to go with the 4 washers, that way it stays centered. But I haven't decided yet. I'll see which one works better. I think we're going to go with this spacer, because it'll put the weight more towards the outside of the wheel instead of centered. I think that'll probably be better anyway. But I think that'll work better. Got them all changed out. Now I can roll it around whenever I need to, or wherever I need to, and it'll go. This is kind of heavy, but this is where it's going to park. So it's going to work out pretty good there. New wheels always make things look better, right? Here's the old ones. I had 2 of them that were actually destroyed. This one was starting to. This one wasn't too bad. Probably the only good one on her. But 3 out of the 4 were bad, so it's definitely time to change them. But I'm sure it's going to work a lot better now. So if anybody wants those old wheels, let me know. They aren't worth a whole lot, but they do have a lot of sentimental value. They've been on this cart since early 90s, I'd say, probably when I was with America West. So they got their use out of them. So on to the next project.